Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. I'm today going to do my own challenge lock, the one that I built. I'm going to pick it, and then at least I know I've picked it, and then we can get it sent off. You see at the front at the moment looks a bit thingy. That's just because I put Leon's Lockpad, and I've called it the Blade Challenge, as it came from the lock came from my friend Blade 73. I've been practicing on it, and it's been a right tricky bugger. It took me a while to get in there with this one, a little bit of a pain, but I suppose that's what challenge lock is about. It's not supposed to be easy. Bottom of the keyway, or top of the keyway if it's upside down, which it is. Bottom of the keyway, I mean. Let's go for number one, slight turn. Got a click. And a deep fault set. Counter rotation. That's going to be some more counter rotation. That's number 3. Definitely got deep fault set there. One. Okay, counter rotation on 2, I think. Look a bit. One's there. Four, if not 5, they're down. There's definitely something to do with number, I think number 1, bit of counter rotation again. Another click out number 2. Click out 1. No, actually, I'll snap my pick. Let's keep that going. Look at that. One busted pick. Again. Bit of counter rotation on that. I'll go for a reset. Right, 1 down. 2 down. Then click on 4. Click on 5. Try 3 again. Just give me 1 second. Oh, I've reset. Sorry about that. Just go and sort the bloody cat out being noisy. 1. That's 5. That's 4. Oh, there we go, default set again. Just checking that's not horrific. Oh, and there we go. Bloody hell. That's definitely a tricky one. Just give me a second, we'll get it gutted. I mean, you already know what's in it, but might as well get it gutted. Let's get the bits and pieces out. Move that out of the way. Right, here. Let's have a look. I need that. Where's my pinning tray? Hiding under things. There we go. Hold this down a little bit. There we go. Right. Give me a second. Let's just, let's lock that back up because we do have the key. Make things a little bit easier. Just pulling the clip off the back. Oh, we're off. Let's put that there. Right. Turn it like that. There we go. And you follow it. There we go. Let's pull it there. Right. There we go. Let's pull the key out. We got serrated pin that I made. Serrated, and like a half spool and a half spool. The very last two. And tweezers. Inside here we have got, turn it the right way, that would be a lot better of a job on it, stop and spring them out. We got a standard pin, we got a spool, that was originally a spool and I made it deeper, it was a bit thicker as well. Another spool, this is my complete homemade one. Serrated spool actually, should say. What else have we got? Another spool. That was slightly deepened as well by me. And last but not least, a standard. And I'm not going to take the springs out. One of the springs I've had to adjust because I snapped it. So the springs are nothing special, they are all standard. But there we are. My challenge lock, by the way, it's called, it's called the Blade Challenge Lock, like I say. I have picked it, I have stripped it, and now I'm going to put it back together again. And then in a couple of days, I'm going to get it off to somebody. And I hope after that they pass it on, it gets passed along. And, you know, please let me know what you think of the lock itself. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.